In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the 3D model window. I'll show you how to view the 3D visualization of your drawing and how to change the appearance of the model. I'll explain how to save a view of the model as an image file. I'll demonstrate how to interact with the 3D model to view the properties of the different elements. I'll also talk you through how to view only selected parts of the design. Finally, I'll show you how to switch off a couple of functions of the 3D model to help BuildingWorks run quickly and smoothly. You might also find it useful to spend a few minutes watching the video called How to Move and Dock Windows to Rearrange the Drawing Screen. This video shows you how to move, resize and dock the 3D model window. If your 3D model window is already available on screen, click on the tab or window to view it. If it's not currently on screen, as a standalone window or tabbed window, you can view the 3D model window by going to the Views and 3D tab and clicking the 3D model button. The 3D model window will appear on screen. You can rotate the model to view it from a different perspective by clicking and holding down the left mouse button on the 3D model. Move your mouse to the left or right to rotate the model to the side. Move your cursor down to view the model from the top and up to view it from the bottom. You can click the Home button to reset the model to its original view at any time. To zoom in on the model, place your cursor over the model and scroll the mouse wheel towards the screen. To zoom out of the model, simply scroll the mouse wheel away from the screen. There are different tools on the 3D model window which enable you to change the appearance of the 3D model. You can choose to view the 3D visualization in solid, textured, wireframe or transparent mode. Simply click on the cube buttons on the 3D model toolbar to do that. Hovering your mouse over a button will give a tooltip which explains what the button does. You can also change the appearance of the background by clicking the Background drop-down menu. Select an alternative background from the options. You can switch different components of the design on and off. For example, you can switch off the roof and ceiling so you can get a better feel for the internal space of the building. To do this, click on the Visibility drop-down menu. Untick Show Roofs and Show Ceilings. Now you can drag the model around to view the layout of your design. Repeat the process to switch the components back on. You can also hide individual components, for example individual walls, on the 3D model. Place your cursor over the component you want to hide and click the right mouse button. Then click Hide. Repeat this process to hide multiple components. To show the components again, right-click anywhere on the model, click Show, and either Show All to show all of the components, or work your way through the menu to select the individual component that you want to show again. I'm going to click Show All for now. You can save a view of the 3D model as an image file to insert into your drawing or perhaps to insert into another document. To do this, once you're happy with the view of the design, click the Save As Image button. It's the one with the floppy disk icon. The Save As dialog box pops up. Check you're happy with the location of the file, type in a file name and click Save. You can view some of the key properties of each component by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and clicking on the component on the 3D model. The component you've clicked on will be selected on the 3D model and also on the plans, and information about the specification, cost, dimensions and thermal rating will be displayed. Once you've selected a component, you can then view its specification in detail by clicking on the Spec tab. If I click back onto the 3D model and click onto the background, I can deselect that component. Hovering your mouse over a component will also display the key properties. If you're doing an extension job or work to an existing property, you can view only the new estimated parts of your design by using the options on the Visibility drop-down menu. You can hide all of the items you've drawn or set to existing. On the Visibility drop-down menu, untick Show Existing Components. All existing parts of the design will be hidden. Finally, and importantly, I want to show you how you can switch off a couple of processor and memory-intensive functions of the 3D model. Switching them off can increase the efficiency of BuildingWorks and help you to work more quickly. Click onto the Visibility drop-down menu and untick the Auto Refresh 3D option. Your 3D model will no longer automatically update when you make any changes to the drawing. If you do make a change to your drawing and you want to update the 3D model, simply click the Refresh button. You can also untick the Show Opening Detail option. This will help your software to run more quickly. So that's your introduction to the 3D model. The 3D model has many features which can help with the design of your build. It's worth spending a few minutes playing around with them to check you're happy with your design. View the design from different angles by clicking and dragging the model around the window. Zoom in and out using the scroll wheel, and explore the solid, textured, wireframe and transparent options using the buttons on the 3D model toolbar. Switch on different components using the Visibility drop-down menu. Right-click on the model to hide and show individual components. Save a view of the model as an image file using the Save As Image button. Finally, switch off Auto Refresh and Show Opening Detail on the Visibility drop-down menu to optimize the running of your software.